Okay, sports fans, YouTube fans, Never Never Land, or Land of the Rubber Band. Chief, SRNMC, brother, and all of my friends. Chief tagged me for my favorite tool. So, here I am, limping on my substantially swollen, bad foot still. But anyway, that being said, at the end of the day, all things considered, if I step carefully, the snakes, good old snake here. Oh, hey. Oh, yeah. What do you say there, buddy? Oh, look. Brothers of the Road. Brothers of the Road sticker. Yay! Brothers of the Road. 10-4. That's Mr. Blue Roads. He rocks. He kicks ass. There's a Milner Coupe for eat. Yeah, all things considered, Super OV10, he got off the road yesterday. Well, even with my bad foot, I'm still out there trucking. I'm pumping her out. I'm giving her. Going down the road. Oh, 10-4. This video, I'm going to dedicate it to the chief. He called me on. He said, tool challenge. Him and his grinding. Good work, chief. Awesome. Redneck bench grinder. And I mentioned about my grandpappy. My favorite tool. My grandfather from New Brunswick, Canada. Yeah. There's the electrical cord right there. There's the cord for it, see? Look. 2 prongs. No ground prong on that, baby. Here it is. Here's what you call your Craftsman. Oh my God, it's heavy. It's like 30 pounds of grinding machine. You'll have to forgive the video quality. There we go. Look at that, boys and girls. It says right on there, Craftsman. I used to be a craftsman. Now I'm just all hobbled up and got a bad leg. Whatever. Yeah, getting back to the point of it. My grandfather owned this grinding machine. He bought it brand new back in the 50s when money was tight. And by golly, when he got done with her, he left it to me. That and a 30-06 Springfield rifle, but there's a grinding machine right here. I could hook that up onto some sort of a bench, like, Chief. And I could grind shit all day long with my Craftsman grinder. Anyway, just like a gun, it ain't no good if it don't work. So here's the best part of the video right here. I'm going to take this 2-prong plug. I'm going to plug her in and pull the trigger. Give you all a little. There once was a day I could grind metal like nobody's business. I mean, you could pull in a 53 Buick 2-door sedan with no hood on it And by God, I'd grind that thing into powder. Just plug her in, so pay attention now. This is where it gets good. Watch. I'm watching you. You watch me, okay? Watch. Looky here. Look. See the red button? That's what they call it. Trigger mechanism. Now, yeah. Look. See how it makes the lights go dim in here in my apartment when I... That's my grandpa's grinder. My favorite tool. I'll keep my eyes on everything there. You just do what you do and I'll do what I do. And, bye now. 10-4. Can't wait till spring. Gonna start beating on that old yellow coupe again. Mr. Blue Roads, get ready. Another order coming in. I know.